Introducing the Jeep Wrangler JL Heavy-Duty Drag Link, Tie Rod, and Steering Stabilizer Relocation Kit by Synergy. The drag link and tie rod are both fully adjustable to fit all JL Wrangler models, even those with different axle widths. The double adjuster assembly allows adjustment of the drag link length and tie rod length without removing it from the vehicle. Here are a few of the features and benefits of each item. For the heavy-duty drag link, the bar is fully welded, unlike the crimped OEM design. The drag link bolts right into the factory mounts and can be relocated to the top of the steering knuckle for a high steer setup. For the heavy-duty tie rod, the tie rod is a heat-treated chromoly construction which improves the tie rod stiffness, strength, and steering feel, and eliminates any chance of bending this tie rod. This tie rod is also compatible with the stock wheels and tires. The Steering Stabilizer Relocation Kit offers the low-profile stabilizer mounting that prevents interference with Synergy upgraded steering components. As an added feature, all of these parts can be installed with basic hand tools and are 100% bolt-on. Trust the quality of Synergy manufacturing and try yours today.